'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Goat meat pepper soup is ready, fa la 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 la. Hey guys, today we are going to be cooking goat meat pepper soup. Would you like to eat your goat meat pepper soup with rice or with starch? Let's get into this cooking. Let me show you guys how I prepare this delicious mede. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Today I'll be cooking spicy goat meat pepper soup with shaki. Okay, here I have my clean goat meat, okay, in the pot. Now I will be adding 2 teaspoons of knorr chicken bouillon seasoning. Then I will be adding also salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, then the next thing is for me to add my blended my blended pepper soup spice with habanero pepper, ginger and onions. Then I'll add it into the goat meat. Then I'll rinse my blender with water. Then I will add it into the pot. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it well. Okay, I'll mix it well. Then I'll cover and I will allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Okay, you know it is the season, the weather is cold, and we all need spicy food for this weather. Okay, pepper soup is the ultimate spicy food for this weather. Okay, now it's 20 minutes later. Our goat meat is almost halfway done, but it's not yet done. Okay, now I'm just going to stir it a little bit. Then I'll go ahead and add in more spice. Okay, because I want it to be hot, I want it to be spicy. You know that kind of pepper soup that you will be eating, then you will be your nose will be running. That is what I want. Okay, I'm adding in more dry pepper and pepper soup spice, and also with crayfish. Okay, now I'm adding also my scent leaf, okay, for flavor. Okay, if you don't have scent leaf, you can skip this process. Okay, and also I went ahead and add in more water because we need water in our pepper soup so that you can drink it. Oh wow, okay, thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. Okay, now I'm just going to test if there's enough salt. Okay, I tested, there wasn't enough salt. Okay, I went ahead and add more salt and maggi. Okay, then I will cook for another 20 minutes. Okay, this pepper soup is so easy to cook. All you just have to boil your meat, then you are good to go. Okay, I will cover it and cook for 20 minutes. Okay, after 20 minutes, voila, our pepper soup is ready, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, and if you are watching from Facebook, on my Facebook page, please don't forget to like and follow my page. I appreciate every one of you for always coming back to watch my video, for always sharing my video. Okay, you see, guys, our pepper soup is ready to be disguagua. Yes, it's ready. And when I was cooking the goat meat pepper soup, I was behind the camera. I was also cooking my rice and my starch. Okay, I want to eat mine with starch. Then the children said they want to eat their one with rice. Okay, Which one of these will you prefer to eat with your goat meat pepper soup? Do you like to eat your pepper soup with rice? Or do you like to eat your pepper soup with starch? Leave it down in the comment section below and tell me which one is your favorite, okay? Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, turn your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye. And please don't forget to like this video, thumbs up this video, and share with your friends. I love you guys. Bye bye.